What's good, Moguls fam? And back with a banger. So, namhlanje into engizonifundisa yona, it's one of the most important aspects of forex markets, guys. Ukuthi u-analyze kanjani ukusebenzisa i-action price. I-action price, guys, it's very simple. Ilula ngendlela engachazeki. Into yokuqala nje kufanele uyi-understand ukuthi iyini i-action price. Action price, guys, ilezi number lezi. Yabo lezi number lezi nje enibonayo from 28 upwards to 306.60 iwona action price yini le. So le action price iyona esisizayo esiguidayo kahle kahle ukuthi i-markets, which is like ama-candlesticks lawa ethu, ukuthi ilona yakhona i-resistance yakhona ikephi ne-support yakhona ikephi, plus nama-trend lines akhona aqalaphi agcinaphi. Uyayibo leyo nto, because sike siyibone imakethe ukuthi sometimes ijika lezi endaweni eyodwa kwi-price eyodwa. Yabo nje, for instance, 105, uyabona ukuthi most of the time kuba khona indlela la khona asuke esejika khona almost in the same position, and leyo nto leyo iyasigayida ukuthi sazi ukuthi kahle kahle i-market yangakephi. Is it going downwards or is it going upwards, or is it just continuing in terms of being khona leli gama lakhona elisuke lichaza ukuthi ihambe endaweni eyodwa, meaning i-fluctuator endaweni eyodwa kuma-prices afanayo, meaning ukuthi isuka from here iye la, it's iphinde ishone phezulu kanjalo, yabo, kanjalo, yabo. So iyasiza kakhulu i-action price concerning that. Okay, then okulandelayo ukuthi fanele wazi ukuthi uma wenza i-analysis for i-action price, kumele i-time frame yakho iqale 1 month, so that uzothola a bigger picture ukuthi kahle kahle i-market iya ngakephi. So first thing first, I have to put ama-rectangle analysis, which is ama-zones. Ngithanda ukufaka u-black-ke mina kuqala, yayibo leyo nto, ngifaka u-black. So basically that is my support zone, and then fake ngenzeke manje i-resistance zone. It's important kuqala ukuthi wenze on a higher time frame of 1 month kuqala. Okay, ilula kabi lento, guys, ngahlula into ewubala. So sesiqedile lapho. So enye into engifuna ukuthi ngiyichaze la ebalekile, on a bigger time frame, guys, niyabona ukuthi i-market from 1980 iqale la yehla yaze yafika la, yabo. So i-market inokuzi-repeat, meaning it repeats i-history, yabo. So njengoba uyibonile ukuthi ifike yasuka lapha ku-1980, yasuka lapha phezulu yehla yazofika la ku-1994, there's a higher possibilities njengoba ubona ukuthi kwi-support zone isi-rejecte kakhulu, meaning ama-touches yabo fike kobu-one touch, u-two touch, u-three, yes-4 le. Shuthi ngamanye amazwi ama-sellers were trying to sell but ama-buyers were more than ama-sellers, so it rejected, yabo. Ngamanye amazwi manje shuthi ngamanye amazwi asemaningi ama-buyers, yabo, njengoba isithathe 1 2 3 4, so it is a most definite ukuthi isifuna ukuthi manje ibuyele back to where it started, which is from kuleya price action, which is 280 le. Okay, sorry about that guys, which is 280, which is 280, niyabona ukusuka la kuya la, because vele that is where it started from, yabo. So kahle kahle the market is looking for a buy, but leyo confirmation asinayo manje ukuthi ngempela it wants to go to u-280 lower, unless it breaks this resistance right here. Once yadlula ku-120, which is this one, i-price yakhona, so there's a higher possibility ukuthi it's going to buy up until it goes to bani, lower 280, yabo. So that is the overall of a higher time frame, yeah Audi JPY. Then after that masuqedile, you go down to a weekly time frame. Okay, so masifika kwi-weekly time frame siyabona ukuthi okay, within a weekly time frame there were trends, yabo, there were trends. Okay, isaloda, okay, cool. So it started from la, yanyuka phezulu, then here it got resisted yehla, then it kwaba ne-support. Okay, mark, kwaba ne-support kanjalo futhi yaphinda yanyuka, yaphinda yehla, and uyabona ukuthi ijika to almost the same price, yabo, up until izifike khona la ku-93, ku-93 comma 134. So sesiyabona ukuthi okay, isi-93 manje, and awekho amanye ama-analysis ekufanele siwenze, or like ukuthi sidwebe, we have to go down to a bit smaller, which is manje 1 day, so that is sokwazi ukubona kahle, yabo. Okay, so okwamanje siyabona ukuthi okay kune-trend line ebikade ikhona, yabo. So asiyidwebeke i-trend line yethu, i-trend line isuka la ize ziyofika la, nayi la, qala la, trend line. Okay, that's it, yabo ukuthi that was our trend line. Then siphinde si-add that was low resistance. Now let's do a support. Because obviously in a higher time frame we expect ukuthi a buy, yabo, in a higher time frame which is a monthly. But mase sehla siya ku day 1 uyabona ukuthi it's going, it's an uptrend. It's an uptrend, yabo, ukuthi it's an uptrend. Obviously in a high time frame sibonile ukuthi there's a potential ukuthi iyenze njani ibe high, iye phezulu. Okay, then the reason why sehla kuma time frame, it's because ngoba sesibonile kwi higher time frame ukuthi if ifuna ukuthi ibuy kumele senze sure ukuthi phela sibheke i-entry yokuthi singakwazi kanjani ukungena kule potential buy. So ngoba sesitholile ukuthi uptrend le, and there is a possibility ukuthi lana yenzeni kube ne breakouts from here, because la phezulu njengoba sidwebe lo line omnyama, lo line lo omnyama lo, uyakhumbula ukuthi that is where kahle kahle le bekade nama resistance khona. So we have to take that in mind also. And then after that njengoba sibona ukuthi okay it's an uptrend, so there's a possibility ukuthi iphinde izothinta lo line lo njengoba isuka from here. Okay, then we go to a 4-hour charts. Okay, 4-hour charts. 4-hour charts has to load. Okay, so it seems like kune resistance, kune support njalo ekhona kwi 4-hour charts. Sidwebe and use maybe a different color, yabo, so sesisebenzisa black njalo. Oh snap, okay, yes, let's use blue. Yabo, okay, cool. Yeah, as we can see, so that is our 4-hour. I think it's on this. Kumele wenze sure ukuthi uyibeka at the tip of the candlestick. Yeah, then after that we go to a much smaller time frame, because kahle kahle phela sibheka ukuthi where can we enter the trade, yabo. Okay, then we go to 1 hour. Yeah, so lento ibizwa ukuthi trend on trend. Okay, network ibuye ibhede kancane, yazi noma kuyi-weekend. Okay, so yabo la ukuthi izama uku-create lento ekuthiwa double bottom, and that is ama-chat patterns. So here, njengoba i-create double bottom, there's an opportunity for us to take a buy la. There's an opportunity because it went down and it got suppose went up a bit and then it went down. So here is a perfect place for us to place a buy. And then Melwenze Shoguts, once you begin to enter and put an entry for a buy, Melfak stop loss. And stop loss at least to send a 100 pips, at least 100 pips. So yeah, guys, that is about it. That is how you use analysis, action price, and then you get money in the bag. Yeah, but if it happens, it doesn't buy, then it sells. It's okay. Then it means ukuthi kuzofanele uyilinde yehle ize ifike la. Then masifike la izobhaya ibuyele phezulu. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro. That's it. Because sibonile la ukuthi bekune resistance njengoba sidwebula nomnyama. Like sibona network yahlupha. Yes. Nazo. Sobona manje nazo. Exactly. Exactly. Yabo. Because lama analysis is when a higher time frame. This one's in a higher time frame. Okay, guys. That's it for ama analysis ngama nge-action price. If you like ivideo yethu, make sure ukuthi uyasubscribe, share, and hit that notification so that uzokwazi ukubona ukuthi mase sidropha futhi another bang. Okay, guys. Team Mogul Fams, Olindo is signing out.